Nancy Brown, as she was, born the same year as the O'Rahilly, so they were the same age, was from a wealthy New York business family. Her father ran Brown's woolen mills, so they were wealthy Americans. Nancy and her sisters were finished in Paris, in finishing schools there. It was very much about creating marriageable young ladies who would make their debut in society and who would make advantageous and financially connected marriages. One would also hope they would contain some love, but of course class was very important in this as well. And because they were so wealthy, they could go travelling, and that is how Nancy and her mother and sisters ended up in Ireland, and where she and Michael Joseph O'Rahilly meet. And it seemed to have been certainly interest at first sight, if not love at first sight.